Welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mary Maidenhill. I am new to YouTube. I do makeups and special effects. I do all kinds of stuff. You can see a little bit over here. Anyways, today we're actually doing a 1920s inspired makeup since it's New Year's Eve and we're going to 2020. So I am super excited for the new year to come. 2019 was good, but I'm ready for it to go out the door. Definitely. I want the 2020s to be amazing for me and for everybody. And also this look, I am going to be using the amazing, beautiful Conspiracy palette from the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collection. Oh my god, I was so happy when I was able to get on that first batch. I went to that website and I was like, I kept refreshing. I looked like a demon. I was going, and I had a friend of mine also on the Morphe website trying to get it as well. I'm like, don't you leave that page until we freaking have it. So once I was able to put it on the cart and I was able to pay for it, I was like, I can breathe. Let me just show you. Let me just show you. I know you guys already seen it like 800,000 times, but for me, it's just still so amazing. Oh, angels. Anyways, so yeah, this color right here, what's the T? This color, I try to use it. It look horrendous on my eyes, but it is really, really, really good. Anyways, all the colors are amazing, but today we're actually using this one, which is my right is here. Yeah, my right is here, and then Illuminati. I want to use Tanacon. I want to use Ranch. I want to use Diet Cola. Yeah, that one I touched it because it was just amazing, and this one too. So yeah, I want to do like an inspired 20s inspired makeup using the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collaboration. And also, aside from the conspiracy, I am also going to be diving into the controversy, the mini controversy palette. This one I got it afterwards. I wasn't able to get it when I got the conspiracy. I bought it from someone, a friend of mine that she got it on PR and she had it, she had extra, so she was selling it, and I was like, girl, I will buy it from you. From this one, I actually want to touch this color. I think it's the Cry on My Cry on My Couch. I think I want to touch this one for like I don't know, maybe setting my eyes. I already primed them, did my eyebrows because if you've seen on my other videos, I suck at doing eyebrows on camera. It takes me forever because my eyebrows are like something else. But anyways, I'm so excited. I haven't touched this one. I haven't even swatched it. You see how beautiful it is? So we're going to be using this one and we're going to be using this one. We're going to be doing that look. Okay, so since we're playing around with the black from this palette, my right is here, I didn't do my base. I only did, I primed my eyelids and I did my eyebrows because I don't know if it's going to have fallout and black eyeshadow gets everywhere. So that way it's going to be easier for me to clean it out and then just do the rest of my face. The rest of my face I might do it off camera so this video is not so long because I've done my face before in front of the camera. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with this one. Okay, so from the mini controversy, I'm gonna go with the shade Cry Me or Cry on My Couch. So yeah, I'm gonna grab that Morphe 503. Oh, this camera sucks. But anyways, so yeah, we're gonna deep in here. Oh my god, first time touching it. Okay, normal, normal. That is coated. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to go in. Yeah, I'm going to do this so we can soften that black afterwards because I know Jeffree's formula and the one in the that black in the Alien palette, which I have it back there. That black is amazing. So this is an awesome color to set the eye. Okay, so I did that. And that is looking so, so freaking good. I looked at myself in the monitor. I gotta stop doing that. But anyways, so yeah, that looks really good. Okay, so dive in. I'm gonna dive into that black color already. Wish me luck. But for that one, I'm using a different brush. Okay, so with this little packer brush, oh my god, let's see. That is super black. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna keep using that little controversy, mini controversy mirror. It's really good. Okay, clean that excess so you don't look so crazy. Okay, now we're gonna start blending that. And then we touch this again, and now we're gonna try it on the other side. You can blend those edges. And then if it fades away a little bit, you can always go back again a little bit and intensify it. But I don't want it that intense because on the 20s, they did use a lot of black. Now, when I do my cut creases, I do clean a little bit. Not always, because not always you can, but you can clean it up. So no worries. My makeups always look super crazy, but whenever I'm done, they look super cute. To me, they do. So if you don't feel the same, it's all good. Now we go in with the, so with a little bit of the Jeffree Star C11 concealer, put a little bit in the back of my hand. A little bit goes a long way, so don't go crazy with it. I'm gonna grab my little brush right here, and I let my eye, see, touch the top part, so that way I know how far I can go. There we go. There we grab, so that's not that much black. Okay, so moving into the other eye, as we were doing, rubbing a little bit more of the concealer. Okay, so we're done with the cut crease. Okay, so with that color Illuminati, poofs that everybody hates, I love these. Okay, I'm gonna go in here, see, stamp it in. This is the best for cut crease. Doesn't get everywhere. I love these little sponges for packing color. The conspiracy. We're using that one too. So let's do that and start from the corner to maybe like halfway of that cut crease. So it just like marries with that green. That's looking cute. So now I'm going to do my foundation. I'm going to prime, do my foundation and everything out of the camera. And then I'm going to finish my eyes. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my base. I used my foundation, powder, and I contoured. Now we're going to do the bottom lash. We're going to go ahead and use kind of like the same colors and just smoke it out. So going back to the conspiracy right here, we're going to go again on with the black, and we're going to go again with the Illuminati. So with the smaller, I'm going to use like a pencil brush I have here. Like a little pencil brush, we tap in on that, my radius here, that black right there. That's going to be so intense. So okay, so we're just going to go ahead and do it there like that, just a little bit. Tab on it, don't go crazy with it. We're basically going to do the same thing we did on the top of the eye, but on the bottom. Morphe M431, that same brush, we're gonna touch the Illuminati like that, and we're gonna do the same here, right there. Same thing on the other eye. Like that. And then grabbing that conspiracy color again, like that. That same brush. We need to use a pencil brush because otherwise it's going to get everywhere. And you just touch that inner corner right there. Let's do the other one. I don't know if you can see it here. Like that. So now we grab a smaller little brush. This one is it's just a blending brush. I don't have like the brand for it, and we're just gonna like smoke it out. There we go. Looking cute. Okay, since we smoked that out, I'm going to go ahead and do my liquid eyeliner, my bottom eyeliner, pop some lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, so boom, the lashes are on, the liquid eyeliner. I kind of did poke my eye out, so that's why it's like a little red, but that looks super cute. Now, I am going to be wearing blush today. I don't like blush, but I am wearing it because they used to wear it a lot, so I'm going to go with this Flower Beauty one. This shade right here, it's a pinky. It's not too intense, that's why I like it. So I'm going to go ahead with that and just put it on my cheeks. You can't really see it that much, which is fine with me. Put it in the apple of your cheeks so you don't go dead. A little bit there. Now, for highlights, this eyelash is a little wonky. She's being a little bit annoying. There we go. Okay, so for this look, they used to use a lot of dark colors, like for example, like the pinkish tones, like rouge and colors like that. So I'm thinking about using either maybe unicorn blood or androgyny. Okay, so this look is complete. It's not extremely 20s because everything I have, I made this. So yeah, you can see it. It's everything I had already in my wardrobe and in my jewelry. So yeah, this is my 20s inspired look using the Conspiracy palette, which is amazing, and I love it so much. So as far as the black, like every other black, it gets everywhere. So yeah, this palette is amazing. I love that green. Even though, I mean, I don't know if you can see it there in the light. That green, both of these greens, the conspiracy, the Illuminati, and the conspiracy one right here, those colors, they pop. It's just that here, I don't know, my lighting, I don't know what it is, but you can still see a little bit there. If I back up a little bit, and if I get close, you can see it right there. So yeah, this is my 20s inspired look. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And also make sure you click on that notification bell so whenever I upload another video, which I have another one coming soon, you get notified and you can watch it and you can like it. And also, I hope you have an awesome, awesome New Year's Eve and an awesome 2020. Okay, so love you so much and thank you for watching.